Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, then like and subscribe. For first flower, I am using A4 size papers and I am going to cut it in triangle shape. Then fold it one by one as shown in the video. After you are done, your paper should look like this. Now just fold it from between and stick it. And then stick a circular stick of paper. Now for second flower, take a A4 size paper and fold it from between. Then using a scissor, cut small strips of it as shown in the video. Cut that piece into two equal parts. Take one of the piece, fold and stick it as shown in the video. Now take a circular strip of paper and stick it on another paper as shown in the video. And now your cute flower is ready. Put it in any container, and if you want to know how I made this container, then see my recent video. Subscribe for more search videos. Bye.